And good morning, Ron.McGowen here on this fine wet spring morning in Junction City, Oregon with Guaranty RV. Going to give you a little video tour this morning on this Columbus 295 rear living. Nice full front cap, fiberglass front cap, painted, automotive painted, electric front landing gears, large open compartment area. This unit's going to come with a built-in vacuum system with a full electric awning with LED lighting behind that awning. We've got frameless windows. It's a really nice touch. Nice large grab handle. As we come in, all of your controls are centrally located in one spot. Makes it very convenient as you step into the coach. Coming in, we've got a dinette table, which is nice in place of the booth. It's got two chairs here. It does also come with two additional chairs. A large rear couch that is a trifold bed. Lots of overhead cabinets all the way through this coach. You've got your theater seating here with the large center console with storage, TV, fireplace, lots of cabinets and drawers in the kitchen area. Nice large refrigerator, 3-burner stove with an oven, microwave, all hard surface countertop, double bowl sink, lots of wood. This coach has got a lot of solid wood in it. All of your cabinet doors are solid wood. Coming up the stairs, nice coat closet, very conveniently located. Bathroom. I'll let the camera do the work in the bathroom, but you're going to notice this has a very large one-piece fiberglass shower with a porcelain toilet, medicine cabinet, storage underneath the sink, and a nice spot there on the sink to put any items that you need to store there. Washer dryer ready. Got a nice window in the bedroom, a large window in the bedroom to allow the sunlight to come in. Full front wardrobe closet with a laundry basket and some extra storage. It's kind of cool. And then on this side we're going to have an extra drawer, and again more shoe storage and lots of room to hang your clothes. Storage underneath the bed, 4-drawer dresser with a TV. This is going to have 2 air conditioning units, both front and back, and you've got LED lighting throughout. Very nice coach. It's a short one, so you can get this into most of your state and federal parks, and obviously into the any of your RV parks as well. Follow me outside. Coming outside, it's got the nice mag wheel setup on it. Again, frameless windows, electric stabilizers. You've got the rear deck on the back for bikes or barbecues. It's got a walk-on roof with a rear backup camera. Got the large capacity water heater. All of your plumbing is up tight on this coach. Easy access to your drain valves, and your docking station is here, all enclosed with your drain valves, full water filtration system, cable and satellite hookups, all your tank flushes, and outdoor shower. This coach has got a huge underbelly storage compartment area for such a short coach. And again, really nice piece. We just took it in 2015. It's short, it's a rear living, great little coach. If you have any questions on this, please call me directly at 541-968-6010 or Ron.McGowen at Guaranty.com. Thanks and have a great day.